The Northern Territory recorded 9 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, bringing its latest outbreak to 11. All of the cases are Indigenous, who've been living across 2 houses in Katherine.
It was the news the Northern Territory had been dreading.
There were 9 new positive cases of COVID-19 in the Northern Territory, linked to cluster number 2 overnight.
The new cases are all from Katherine and are close household contacts of 2 cases recorded on Monday night. Children and the elderly are among the infected. All are Aboriginal.
A 71-year-old man, a 65-year-old woman who has been admitted to Royal Darwin Hospital, a 62-year-old woman, a 40-year-old woman, a 38-year-old woman, a 22-year-old woman, a 16-year-old girl, 2 5-year-old girls, twins.
Authorities believe the cases may be linked to an outbreak in Darwin and Katherine earlier this month, but have been unable to make a direct connection.
There's clearly significant spread in 2 households. We can see how fast it can spread. We don't know how far it has spread.
Katherine's lockdown has been extended until 6 p.m. on Monday. Several exposure sites have been listed, including Katherine Hospital and the Katherine Hotel. More than 100 people have been identified as close contacts.
We're in a desperate race to track this down and identify those further cases.
There have been no further cases in the remote community of Robinson River. Labor Senator Malandiri McCarthy has revealed the woman who tested positive there on Monday is her sister. She's issued a desperate plea for people to get vaccinated.
I would say, Matt, that the messages by people across Australia, negative messages in terms of social media that have discouraged people, in particular First Nations people, from vaccinating is completely disgraceful.
A mask mandate has now been put in place for the entire Northern Territory. The government's also warning that any area could be placed into lockdown at a moment's notice. Almost 22 months after Australia recorded its first case, the NT's COVID-free existence is well and truly over.
We're one of the last place in the world where COVID's coming, but it's coming.
Matt Cunningham, Sky News, Darwin.